Price looks strong here. Everything says it should go higher, but this move was already decided from the opposite side. Most traders focus on where price is going, but the real edge is understanding where it needs to go. In this chart, I'll show you how one zone controlled the entire move, from the low to the highs. These highs right here are not resistance. This is buy-side liquidity, resting buy orders sitting above the market. And this is where most traders expect price to continue higher, thinking strength means continuation. But just marking this level is not enough. You need to see how price reacts around it. Now I'm applying the fixed range volume profile on this entire move. You can see the POC right here. This is where the majority of positions are built, where most traders are comfortable. Normally, this is where we take profit, because price often reacts from this level. But in this case, I'm not targeting POC, and the reason will become clear as price starts moving. Now look at this zone. This is inducement. Price is moving in small swings, giving multiple entries, keeping traders engaged inside this range. It feels active. It feels tradable. But in reality, this is where the market builds commitment before the real move. Look closely at this shift. Price stops pushing higher and momentum starts fading. Those small moves inside the range begin to lose strength, no real continuation. This is the first sign that something is changing. When price stops progressing like this, it's not random. It's preparing for a move in the opposite direction. Then comes the move lower. And this is where the market reaches for sell-side liquidity. These lows get taken cleanly, triggering stops and forcing traders out. This isn't weakness. It's a liquidity event before the real direction reveals itself. Right here is the demand zone, the origin of the move. This is where institutional orders are sitting, waiting to be filled. Instead of reacting randomly, price respects this area with precision. From this zone, the reaction is immediate and strong. There's no hesitation. Price pushes up with clean, decisive candles, showing clear intent from buyers. And this is where the shift happens, from a simple reaction to real continuation. This strength is the reason I'm not targeting POC. When momentum expands like this, it usually continues toward higher liquidity. Look at this continuation carefully. This is where the entire profit logic changes. Up to this point, targeting POC made sense because price was balanced and moving inside a range. But this strong bullish push breaks that idea. Momentum is no longer balanced, it's expanding. That shift tells us one thing: holding only to POC will leave profit on the table. In conditions like this, price is not reacting to volume. It's moving toward liquidity, and that's why the target shifts higher. Follow Discount Trader for more high-probability setups like this. Like, comment, and share if you found this valuable. Refine your entries, not your emotions, because precision always beats reaction. The market will always show you the move, but only if you understand where it needs to go. Stay patient, stay disciplined, and let the setup come to you.